This is what I've gathered for our next cocktail. These are the cups that she had, so we're going to make it inside the little cantaritos, but obviously they're not cantarito cocktails. We're going to use our Stanley shaker. You can still make delicious drinks with all the wrong tools, and that is a principle of mine, and I truly do believe that. So, well, not believe, proof. Truly am proving that. So we're going to do Don Julio Blanco. We're going to do 1 ounce for each cocktail, so this will be 2 ounces total. 1 ounce of the Malibu. So 2 ounces for 2 cocktails. Let's start 1.5 ounces, but I suspect we're going to need 2 ounces of this Simply Raspberry Lemonade that I found in the fridge. Tropical Punch Kool Aid, 1 tablespoon, because the flavor is really concentrated, and I actually want it to be really concentrated. I like the color that it's changing. I wish you could see it. This is like the color. That's pretty.
Super red for vampires. She's trying to get me fucked up.
No, I'm trying to make you happy.
She's trying to
let me know if it's working.
I think Patricia's calling.
Oh shit! We're gonna meet Patricia.
Patricia's definitely calling, and I don't want to pick up.
No, answer. It's Patricia. Answer.
You don't want Patricia here.
I do want Patricia. Well, I don't know. Let me decide after I met her.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna add some lemon juice because I think this is sweet enough. I think I'm gonna do a 1/2 ounce. I'm gonna start at a 1/2 ounce and see if I need more, because I don't think it needs a little more tartness, because I think you like your drinks a little on the sweet side. So I kind of want to keep it there. We're gonna add some ice. We're gonna shake it up and we're gonna pour them in. All right, ready? I'm not gonna.
Does it shake the way you want it to shake?
It shakes just fine, because I know at the end of the day, it's delicious. It's gonna be yummy. Look at the color.
It's very red.
It looks like Kool-Aid.
You look real proud of yourself.
You mean you're gonna feel really good right now? Aw, you are, cousin. You're gonna feel so good. You haven't been this happy in the afternoon in a long time.
Or awake. You're gonna garnish?
I am. I gotta garnish her drink too. Yeah. Can he eat strawberries? Can I give him half a strawberry?
Yeah.
Yeah, she said I can give this to you. Do you want it? Do you want it? Okay. I found this box of chocolate roses, and I thought it would make a really good garnish. So we're gonna garnish with a
Can you garnish the bottle
chocolate rose. So I'm gonna cut a little triangle out.
Do you see it?
And just pop it out. Right there. There we go. All right, cousin, are you ready?
I am not.
We're gonna drink the Kool-Aid. Cheers.
Oh my god, that's so strong. That's a drink. 2 of these and Patricia's coming over.
Ooh, we're gonna meet Patricia. No. We got guest number 2.
No. It's a fucking mess.
Why can't I meet Patricia?
It's not that you can't meet Patricia, it's that you don't want to. Heed my warning.
So I like my drinks
really
pretty strong, and that is my fault. So if I were to re-ratio this, I would do 1 ounce of the Don Julio to 1.5 ounces of the Malibu, 1.5 of the lemonade, 1.5 tablespoons of Kool-Aid Tropical Punch, and 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, and call that a day. Because it is pretty strong, but I like my drinks pretty strong. I would really like to meet Patricia, but she doesn't want me to.
I didn't say that. This is the 3rd time I've told you. Not that I don't want you to meet her. It's that you're not heeding my warning. She is a lot.
Oh.
We're on to something.
Good together. Yeah. I can do that.
These drinks make me think.
Pool day.
These drinks make me think that I'm fucking tonight.
Watch out, Sammy. Here she comes.
He's gonna be real grateful to you tonight.
Go to sleep early though, because you have a tournament this weekend.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
What time? 9 a.m.? We're fucking early tonight.
By 8. Y'all better be sleeping.
Fucking by 8. Done by 8.
Don't worry, I'll put him to sleep.
That sounds like Patricia talking.
Patricia's funny for sure.
Patricia's
You guys
talking.
didn't hear when she knocked? She knocked. You didn't hear her? She knocked and I opened the door.
What did she say? What?
She's-
You answered?
I did answer.
Hi, Patricia. Nice to meet you. Girls, nice to meet you. I've heard so much.
I only came because Monica was promised.
No. Monica's in solitary confinement after that last incident. Okay, I want to try it with the chocolate now. All right, the chocolate. Oh, it's hollow.
Is it?
Yeah, it's hollow. It's like
What the hell?
I thought it was gonna be like a bite of chocolate,
Yeah.
but it's like hollow, cheap bastards. Now with the drink. It kind of reminds me of like a chocolate covered cherry. As a kid, those like Queen Anne's with a little bit of bitterness from the tequila.